A few weeks ago, you may have noticed my joy in putting a new reporting station on our WBOC weather maps.
There is now an hourly reporting station, what we call an ASOS station, at Tangier Island. I can get data from that every 5 minutes. I've been waiting for that for 5 years.
In my 5+ years here, I've never been to Tangier Island, and I decided to go in style, Chopper 16 style. Now, I've flown over most of Delmarva, but this has to rate as one of the most stunning rides ever. We passed Crisfield and then out into the bay, and up ahead, an island in the middle of the Chesapeake. Tangier has a storied history, and it reminded me of small Arctic villages I visited. How? The quiet and the ever-present wind. I now know why the folks who live there so love this place. We landed right next to the new weather station I'd come to see.
So, I'm on the ground. My first ever visit to Tangier Island. The chopper flight in here, amazing. I mean, stunningly beautiful. But why am I here? Of course, it's to see this little tower. It's something we've been wanting in weather for a long time. It's what's called an AWOS-3, Automated Weather Observing System. It gives us weather information from here on Tangier. Tangier is what we meteorologists call a microclimate. The weather out here is much different than it is across the rest of Delmarva. The winds can really howl out here. It's very helpful to us. You might wonder what all this stuff is, so come on, I'm going to show you. Take a look at this. See those weird little bars up there? Those are actually measuring visibility. They can use sensors in those little bars there between that short distance to figure out what the visibility is. There's a rain gauge, you can see the gold copper top there, a temperature sensor, but you have to go way up this tower to get the wind, because the wind is measured at about 10 meters, 30 feet up. This one might be just a little short, but it's pretty close. You get up there, you get a really good idea of what the wind is. And this weather station sends its data onto the circuits. Those circuits go up on a satellite and back down, and they automatically show up on the weather map I show on the newscast every night.
Now, this new station is state-of-the-art, using an ultrasonic sound sensor to measure wind speeds, along with rainfall. Visibility is measured using lasers. I and my fellow forecasters at the National Weather Service are quite happy it's there. Anything that can help forecast the crazy bay weather is always a good thing. As we left a last look down at this historic island community, sadly, it's quite threatened by rising sea levels, and likely it's in its last century. If and when it someday slips beneath the waves, a special place in our history will be gone. Tangier is a quiet exception of days long gone in an ever more frantic world.